Bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui ni vetokithisia ripoti ya komiti ya Wolotani na ila inathungulula amemba ma bodi ya munusuva wa Kitui. Amemba alama vetokithiwe manendekethetwe ni nzama ya wandikani ya serikali ya Kitui, ikundi ya atandithia ya Chamber of Commerce uvonge wa Kitui, Hawkers Association, ikundi ya Amwika Kitui Youth Link na asomi ma kaunti isu. Ona uyovo Speaker Kevin Kinengo katisia na MCA wa Choloni Matthew Vodhe na alani ya memba ma komiti ino ya Wolotani ne maleanile na ripoti isu maiwetakana memba umwe kwa isietwa Lina Kawea taune endekethetwe ni ikundi iteyandikithie ya Kitui Youth Link kendo kila ni upathukanu na miao. Benmark Musau na ripoti.
Bunge ya kaunti ya Kitui nthini wa kikaloni vitukithise ripoti ya nzama ya uandikani ya Kitui na Elena thungulula memba makulika nthini wa bodi ya munusuva ya kaunti ya Kitui na valala manolotetwe ni muvea wa uthukumi wa mwene nthi kaunti ino ya Kitui ni Wilfred Nzioki Kinundu, William Kitema Jedida na Judith Ndenya Kasanga.
The committee has 6 members. So the members who participated in the final compilation of the report were 5. So all the 5 members approved the observed that Wilfred Nzioki Kinundu is suitable. Again, all the 5 members also observed that Judith Ndenya Kasanga is suitable to serve as a nominee to the board. Again, all the 5 members observed that Mr. William Kitema Jedida is suitable.
Oingi nzama ino ni amendekethiangi na alama nolotetwe ni makundi kivathukanio kulika bodi neno Evo Mwendo Munyoki kuma ngwatanio ya utandithia, Musangi James ngwatanio ya atandithia makutuhusia, Lina Kawea Mutinda kuma ikundi ya Kitui Youth Link na Peter Kiyo wa ikundi ya Kitui Professionals.
The committee recommends that the County Assembly 1 approves the nomination of Mr. Wilfred Nzioki Kinundu for appointment as a member of the Kitui Municipality Board by His Excellency the Governor Kitui County. Number 2 approves the nomination of Ms. Judith Ndenya Kasanga. Number 3 approves the nomination of Mr. William Kitema Jedida. Number 4 approves the nomination of Mr. Mwendo Munyoki.
MCA wa Chuso Munyoki Mwenzi Alex Mutambo Ndongo Yala nini na ingi MCA wa Miambani Hussein Mwandi ya MCA wa Ikudha ni mamu vitokithia Lina Kawea Mutinda na kimwene kivila wa nzama ino Kevin Kinengo na MCA wa Choloni Matthew Ngovi ni maleana na kuoloto kwa Lina Kawea ni kwitha anendekethetwe ni kundi iteyandikithie ya Kitui Youth Link.
With regards to Ms. Lina Kawea Mutinda, 3 members of the committee, that is Honorable Munyoki Mwenzi, Honorable Alex Nganga, Honorable Hussein Mwandia, observed that Lina Kawea Mutinda is suitable to serve in the municipality. However, myself, Honorable Kevin Kineo Ketisia, the chair of the committee, and Honorable Matthew Ngoivothe, we had a dissenting opinion and rejected the approval because the nominee was nominated by an unregistered association.
Or the union which nominated her or which gave name to our excellency, Mr. Speaker, by then it was not registered. But on May, the union or the youth union was registered, Mr. Speaker. I urge the honorable members, because the lady comes from my ward, Mr. Speaker, to support the nominees to be appointed.
The Speaker asked from alternative government, we will support this report to give the governor his skunk of Kitui municipality membership. Whether they are qualified or not qualified, we will give him a skunk of unqualified individuals to operate the business the way he wants.
Amemba la metwa isi unene ni oyuni makathi ya nzama ya Wolotani ungua mwene kivela Kevin Kinengo maiweta tayona nisi utongo imusio wina utalo na demokrasia nthini wa usakuani wa bodi ya munusuva wa Kitui.
It came up clear during the discussion on the vetting that this person was nominated here by an unregistered entity, and that has been captured very well on the report. Honorable Speaker, I want to appreciate you and Honorable Matthew Ngovuthi. Honorable Speaker, I would like to our good governor, kindly, because you are the leader in this house, it is also good to attach an advisory to him that he is at liberty to either appoint or not to appoint the one, Ms. Lina Kawea Mutinda.
Probably, I'll be very happy to hear you are advising the governor to contradict himself, because he's the one who nominated and he still has the responsibility of appointing. So just advise him to contradict himself. As an assembly, we are clean.
We have an obligation, we have a duty as a county assembly to do due diligence, actually to confirm whether what has been brought to us matches the given qualifications.
Vilingi wa Movomo Tongoi TV, ni Anita wa Ben Mosau.